Aya nake Senator wa SIAYA niwe OBURU Odinga ni akiuritie mutongoria wa bururi wikorwo akiguithia garama ya thitima na iria igithiite na mbere na kwabatira undu uria uigite hatikaine wonjoria wa bururi kuona onjoria aingi ni maikoretwo makiambia guthamira mabururi mangi. Aritie kana aritie miario ino hindi igongona ria gukungwira gwa gucoka mucie kwa mubunge wa guthukio ni Sharon Odol na kuria ahie kana athiete na mbere na gukirira na makiria kigina kia budget na iria iraikorirwo igithomwo kiumia kihituku.
That a lot of investors are going to divert to neighboring countries where it's much cheaper. Production of electricity, these neighboring countries are selling at 5 shillings. Kenya is selling at 12 shillings, which is far too high. Investors tend to divert and go to countries where electricity is cheaper because their motive is profit, and they cannot make profit when the cost of production is high. So, but the people of Kenya are bearing a very, very big burden, and we want to tell the government that the issue of housing levy, their housing levy was not the question of 3% or 1.5%. It was the whole idea. The whole idea is bad. The whole idea is wrong. So it is whether you reduce it to 0.5%, the whole idea is wrong. It is oppressive, because if it is investment or it is a saving, then it must be voluntary.
Na